Got a piglet escape going on. Whoa. Pigland. We had 10 piglets the other night, so there's Mara. She's not happy about Austin and her piglets. So we have a busy day today. We're going to the butcher, pick up some meat, and then we have some of our local friends coming, and they actually are gonna have a pig roast, and it's our job to get that pig ready. So Aaron's getting their pig ready, so it's gonna be an interesting day. I hope you enjoy it. Maybe for some you may not be used to seeing a pig being butchered on farm, but we're gonna show you how it works, and this is how it's always been done.
Yep, right there.
There it is.
That thing's gonna feed a lot of people.
Yeah, it is. Not for vegans.
This animal will be a human. Just think when
Skinning.
Yep.
Every time I do, I get calls from school.
Your daughter's talking about skinning.
Mustard bath. There it is.
Rub them over, turn them over.
Cover it in mustard.
That's what you do. Take that one.
So that holds the flavor in, or what?
It binds the spice to it. It holds the spice onto the meat.
Wow.
Helps it hold it on there.
And that muscle's still moving there.
No.
Twitching.
It's done. No, it's done. It's not done. It's just. It's done. Reflex response. Like the frog. Remember that biology where you pit the.
Well, we got all these dandelions on the grass. We also have a lot of these brown spots from the winter. So I'm thinking there's maybe some rain in the forecast today, which we're long overdue for. So if I cut the lawn, well, maybe it'll throw off enough grass, and that plus the rain and some sun tomorrow will get all this growing. So we'll see. Just trying to manage the land. That's our job here on the farm. Farm life. There she is, folks. Big roast tomorrow.
Where's the mustard and spice? There you go.
Yeah, give you some light. What is that, paprika?
No, it's a
rub.
barbecue rub. Sweet barbecue rub.
Wow. Look at that.
After all that, it will turn.
Somebody's gonna have a good Saturday. It's not gonna be the pig.
Stop
but-
over.
Yeah.
I give you my address. I'm serious. Come
All
over.
right.
Here, I'll
I
tell
like
you.
it.
I'll tell you.
Got some meat. These ones are dropped off.
Wow. So these are all pigs.
These are pigs.
The meat looks great.
Pigs. Beef's over here. Some
Wow.
beef.
That's the beef right there. Very cool.
Sheep.
Rocky Balboa type stuff. That's a sheep up there.
Oh, punching them? Yeah.
So these are just hanging and drying.
Yes, sir.
Cool. Space in the back too.
You could go too high. Should be okay.
A lot more, right?
Yeah.
tenderloin. Some sweet sausage. Breakfast sausage. Vegan Farms meat. Even great for the dogs.
Yum.
Right, Rocco? That's right. Another day at the farm. I'm gonna check on some chickens. Make sure these chicks are doing well and growing. The meat birds. We have some guinea hens to help us with the ticks that we're growing. And then we also have some more egg layers. So we got over probably 120 chicks over here. We're gonna head on in and take a look and see what we got going here today. There they are. Chicks are doing good. So far, so good. You always worry about chicks because they're so young and delicate, and they travel here. These traveled from Pennsylvania, not too far, to get here to upstate New York. But you always worry about them because, again, they're so delicate and fragile. And over here, we have our ducks, guinea hens, and egg layers. The whole crew. They're all here, and they're all growing nice, which is good. And they're all playing well together. Having fun, running around. Hey, there you go. There you go. It's a duck race. All right, time to get them some more water, fresh water, so they can enjoy their day. There they are.
Trying to count. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can't count. Really, I can't.
10, right?
Yeah. Supposed to be
We got 10. Morning feed.
Hi guys! You guys might come in? No? Okay.
Always fat for the feed. Here's the pigs having some chow. They're all bred except for the boar, obviously. Morning feed. Those are the big girls.